So the nuclear sort of the physics, actually one of the great achievements. And also later what you call Newton bomb. These, I think, very great sort of achievement through scientific sort of that.
Purely from scientific point of view.
Scientific point of view. But these great achievement in science and technology, instead of solving problem, but create a lot of destruction, a lot of suffering, a lot of fear. After Second World War, I think at least the European continent, I think several decades remain fear. So what's wrong? The science and technology itself, no wrong. Marvelous, very important. But thing is, user, science and technology use for constructive way or destructive way does not depend on science and technology itself, but user, we human being, not other models. So we human being finds as this new invention, marvelous invention. So since some of these inventions brought a lot of sort of suffering, therefore now up to us. You see, these achievements should not become destructive way, but should be constructive way. That depends entirely on human being. So human intelligence, not just guarantee. No guarantee. Intelligence, you see, finds these things. The intelligence with anger, with hatred, with greed or jealousy, then these become destructive. These things is guided by a sense of responsibility for well-being of others. Then these will never be destructive. So later part of 20th century, people begin to feel this limitation of also the material value. Some, even some billionaire or millionaire, say their personal sort of belongings were. Facilities are excellent. No need to worry. But mentally, a lot of worry, a lot of stress, and often use tranquilizer, like that kind of thing. Therefore, now even in China, those wealthier families, many of them now showing interest about spirituality. So therefore, it shows limitation of material values. So I think that's very, good sign out of humanity's maturity.
Experience.
Right.
Experience.
So now this is 21st century, beginning of 21st century. More and more people now showing interest about inner values. So, of course, all major religious traditions still, I think, provides millions of people hope and purpose of life. Very good. But frankly speaking, not adequate, because quite a large portion of now nearly 7 billion human beings not much interest about religion. And quite often, you see, people who have no interest about religion, they also usually is neglected about these inner values, like compassion. So therefore, now time comes. We must find ways and means to educate the whole humanity, like universally. If the method to promote these inner value based on religious faith, then it becomes narrow. And also, you see, the second question, what religion, what faith? So more complications. Like India, as 1,000 years, that nation remained multi-religious nation. So naturally, according to their circumstances, the modern, I think 1,000 years, India has some sort of the idea of secularism already there. So because of the circumstances, you see, it compelled, you see, that kind of sort of attitude is necessary. So now in the terms of 7 billion, about 7 billion human beings, we must look multi-religious faith, multi-culture, including non-believer. So we must have some kind of also the secular way of approach these inner values. So it is really encouraging. I know some now universities, some scientists, not as a believer, but they carry, whether it's individual believer or non-believer, but their work, nothing to do with faith, they scientific sort of what's the research. So now more and more scientists, the medical scientists, and also the social science,
social science, neuroscience.
Even I think economy field. Also now, often you see economists, some experts, some scientists, they refer the relation, economy, and altruism. And medical science, certainly, physical health, mental health, healthy body, healthy mind. And the social sort of, in the society, more compassionate family, much happier. So more compassionate community, much happier. Oh, quite clear. So therefore, now actually, you see some of these university, actually, you see some, they are sort of what's the
in their research.
Research.
In their research.
Their research work. Now, last few years, now actually, the city carrying now. That's a very, very healthy sign. Now, including this university. Yesterday at the airport, when President and some other people received me, so at that time, I expressed, I'm very happy now return to my university. Of course, the reality, my contribution is nothing. Like that.